Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Thanks for being part of my friends. For today's video, we're going to set up my sinking fan for 2025. You guys know how passionate I am with my sinking fan, so keep watching. Hi, hello. I don't know where everybody is, but it's really cold here. It's snow and the snow I'm in is really cold, but it's a very cool Saturday that my family and we have to go to church morning and evening. Super excited because it's a Christmas convention and I'm so excited. We started last night and it's been awesome. The whole week I was so grateful for everything, for work, for business. I had about, let me say about, this week I've had about 10 orders, which normally doesn't happen continuous like that. You finish one coming in, you finish one, so super grateful. How is your week going? It's Saturday, and I hope everybody's doing very well. How are you doing? I'm just checking in with you, but today we're going to set up my sinking fine banda, which I already have, but I just want to switch stuff a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my binder. If you are new here, this is the binder for sinking fan. I still do have some of the wallet, like I always say, just a little bit. I think I'm out of black, the big ones, and I have only one each for pink and white. And I'm looking at my stocks and I have a little bit of this color, which is the peach color, and the gray color. Yeah, I think I'm trying to finish this wallet and I'll bring new wallets out. For 2025, I've been going back and forth what I should bring, but I still have my 100 envelope savings challenge, and I have another product that I'm bringing out, which some people already bought it already. It's just an old product, but I switch it a little bit, which I'm bringing that one out. I'm supposed to bring it out right now, but your girl is being crazy. So I'm going to take all this out. Then I'm going to switch the wallets. The wallet, that's what I'm going to switch. Let me put this one here and turn it like that. Yeah. And these are the, I wanted to show my sleepy teddy. He's kind of hiding over there. And these are some envelopes that I've been using throughout the whole year, but I really want to switch them around. So I'll go ahead, and when I take them one by one, as usual, you guys know my sinking fan. I'm so passionate about it. So if you are new here, yesterday I filmed a video about sinking fan and how it's being calculated. If you haven't watched it, I will try and remember to put it up here so that you guys can check it out. So this is this is a sample of envelopes that I did ordered, and I'm going to try and see if it's some envelopes that people will be interested. Your girl will try and bring it on board, but for now, this is like samples that I ordered, and so far so good. I haven't used it yet, but it looked very doable. Look at that, very doable. So this is my birthday. I have back to school. Let me go ahead and make sure this video doesn't take long. I'm always fan of not making my videos take long, because at times if it takes long, people don't watch till the end. So this is back to school. And like I said, I have a lot of sinking fan, but because My family is big. You don't have to have the same thing like mine. You can look at my categories and just do the same, or you can decide not to have a few. But I want you to know that sinking fund is a way of saving little by little for future expenses. So make sure you introduce to your budget this year and you will not be disappointed. You come back and thank me later. I think that's what it is. Okay, let me speed it up and arrange this. Then I will show you guys what are my sinking fund for 2025. Okay, so let me go ahead then. So these are some of the sinking fund. Now 11 the family one and 11 this ones that I bought, but I will put that one at the end. So let me put that one here. The family one, everybody gets their own envelope. I did print, or when I do have some, apart from the family one, I do have other ones that I print. I'm adding other holidays like spring breaks and stuff. Normally I really want to spend, and I also have, I think, social media, because now I'm paying it yearly, so I have to start putting little amount, little amount. Social media, my Shopify and stuff. Oh, I don't have it. Okay, here. So I do have to pay about it's quite expensive with Shopify. Yearly amount is about $500, so I really have to save towards that. So that one is also getting a new envelopes. I added that one. I'm going to add the other holidays as well. Then I'll do the family one. Then we are all ready to roll. So these are my sinking fund. Sinking fund is when you are saving little amount towards the future expenses that you know is coming up. One basic example is Christmas. Everybody know Christmas is coming, so you save little amount. Then when Christmas comes, you take that money and you use it on Christmas. So let me put this in it, then we will just go through it briefly to know what are my sinking funds. So this is how the binder is looking at. I am loving it. It came out pretty well, and this is what it is in my sinking fund for 2025. I have a birthday, back to school, Valentine, family fund, blessings. I have self-care, Christmas, HMO and trash, RX license, car insurance, car maintenance, house maintenance, car registration, leave collectors, miscellaneous. I have social media, other holiday, and we have the family one, which is all of us, the 10 of us. And we also have these ones that I am doing, and this money we're going to use it probably today or Sunday. Yeah, I couldn't get it done, but I will use what I have because we are using it to as like a fundraising. Then we have the pedicure that I do just once a while. So this is how my binder is looking like for 2025. I'm really loving it. See that We have about 25 of them, but it still fit in here. That's how this wallet is. Very big, very spacious. It has a lot of space. Even if you are using it like take this out. Even if you are using it like a regular wallet, a big space for wallet here, for here. I don't know how to explain it to you. We have a space for coins as well. Very useful wallet. So in case you want to get some, I still have a few of this one in the gray color. We are almost out of everything. Then now after that, I'll decide if I want to bring a new style of wallet out. So thanks for everybody for watching me today. If you are new here, thank you. I have my sleeping body here. Peace of mind. I will see you guys in my next video, which is tomorrow. Bye.